Have you ever felt like the woman you love is slipping away? She's not as interested, not as affectionate, and maybe she's even pulling back emotionally. It hurts. But here's the good news. You can re-attract her. In this video, I'll break down a simple yet powerful guide to rekindle her feelings and make her see you in a new light. Let's get started. Step 1. Stop chasing. Give her space. When a woman starts losing feelings, many men make the mistake of chasing her relentlessly, texting more, calling constantly, and trying to convince her to stay. However, this approach often has the opposite effect, pushing her further away instead of drawing her back in. Why does this happen? Psychology explains that people value what they feel they might lose. If you're always available, desperate for her attention, and emotionally dependent on her, she may start seeing you as less attractive. The key here is to do the counterintuitive thing. Step back and give her space. When you stop chasing, a few important things happen. She gets time to reflect on the relationship without feeling pressured. Distance creates desire. She starts wondering why you're not pursuing her like before. It shifts the power dynamic. Instead of being the one chasing, you become the one who is desired. This doesn't mean ignoring her completely, but rather respecting her need for space and focusing on yourself. By doing this, you give her the opportunity to miss you, which is the first step in re-attracting her naturally. Step 2. Work on yourself. The attraction. Reset. One of the biggest mistakes men make when trying to re-attract a woman is focusing too much on her and not enough on themselves. If she lost feelings for you, it's likely because the attraction and emotional spark faded. Instead of convincing her to come back, the smarter move is to reset your attraction by becoming a better version of yourself. Start with your physical appearance. Hit the gym, improve your grooming, and upgrade your style. A man who takes care of himself naturally becomes more attractive. But attraction isn't just about looks. It's about confidence, purpose, and emotional strength. Develop new skills or hobbies that excite you. Focus on your career, personal goals, and social life. Build an abundance mindset. Stop acting as if she's the only source of your happiness. When you shift your energy from seeking validation to self-improvement, she will notice the change. Instead of chasing her, become the man she regrets losing. Women are drawn to men who have direction and purpose in life. When she sees you thriving without her, she may start questioning her decision, making it easier to reignite her attraction. Step 3. Bring back the fun and excitement. One major reason why a woman may lose feelings is that the relationship has become dull, predictable, or emotionally stagnant. In the beginning, everything felt exciting. Fun dates, deep conversations, and a strong emotional connection. But over time, routines set in, and the spark fades. To re-attract her, you need to bring back the fun and excitement that made her drawn to you in the first place. Start by reintroducing spontaneity into your life. Try new activities, go on adventures, and break out of your comfort zone. When a woman sees you enjoying life and having fun, it reminds her of the exciting energy that originally attracted her. Become more playful and unpredictable. Send a light-hearted message instead of serious talks. Reconnect with your passions, hobbies, interests, and things that make you genuinely happy. Surround yourself with positive energy, hang out with friends, travel, and create an exciting lifestyle. Women are naturally drawn to men who bring good energy and excitement into their lives. When she sees you thriving and having fun, without needing her, she may start longing to be a part of that joy again. Step 4. Show, don't tell. One of the biggest mistakes men make when trying to re-attract a woman is talking too much about how they've changed, instead of actually showing it through actions. Words alone won't convince her. She needs to see that you've grown, improved, and become a better version of yourself. Instead of saying, "I've changed, I promise," or "I'll do better this time," let your actions speak louder. If she felt the relationship lacked excitement, start living a more engaging and fulfilling life. If she lost respect because you were too needy or insecure, develop more confidence and independence. If you want to show maturity, make responsible decisions and handle situations calmly. If you want to show confidence, stop seeking her approval and focus on personal growth. If you want to show value, improve your lifestyle, passions, and social presence. When she sees real, undeniable change, without you trying to prove it, her perception of you will naturally shift. Attraction is about energy, not words. The moment she notices you thriving and becoming someone desirable again, she may start reconsidering her feelings. Step 5. Reconnect slowly and naturally. Once you've given her space, worked on yourself, and reignited the fun in your life, you may find that she starts reaching out or showing subtle signs of interest again. This is where most men rush and make mistakes. Don't try to force the connection too quickly. Instead, you need to rebuild the bond slowly and naturally to reignite her attraction in a way that feels effortless. Start with light, casual interactions. Don't jump straight into emotional conversations about your past relationship. Keep things fun, positive, and engaging. A simple text or joke can work better than a deep, serious message. Show her that you're still the confident, high-value man she was once drawn to. Be patient. Don't pressure her or push for a commitment too soon. Let her come to you. If she starts engaging more, mirror her energy instead of overwhelming her. Remind her of the good times. Subtly bring back the fun and chemistry that made her attracted to you before. By allowing things to flow naturally, she'll feel more comfortable reconnecting. Women are drawn to men who create positive emotions. The key is to rebuild that emotional attraction gradually, making her want to come back on her own. If you follow these steps, you'll shift the power dynamic and make her see you in a completely new way. But remember, the goal isn't just to get her back. It's to become the best version of yourself, whether she returns or not. If you